7 out of every 10 customers who add something to your cart never buy it. And the reason isn't what most people think. In this video, I'll show you exactly why customers abandon at checkout, the real reasons, not the obvious ones, and how FluentCart fixes every single one of them natively inside WordPress. Alright, let's break it down. Most people think it's a price, or shipping, or competition, but that's not what the data says. According to Baymart Institute's study of over 4,500 real shoppers, the single biggest checkout killer is this: forced account creation. 1 in 4 customers who abandoned their cart said it was because they were required to register before buying, not because of price or not because of shipping, because your e-commerce store asked them to fill out a form before giving you their money. But that's just the start, because here's what most store owners miss. It's not one reason people leave. It's layers of friction stacking up silently at every step. Let's walk through it like a real customer. They find a product, they like it, and add it to their cart. Everything feels smooth. Then they reach the checkout, and suddenly the price jumps. Shipping appears, taxes appear, fees they didn't expect. They pause, think maybe later, and then they leave. Then comes the coupon moment. They see enter code, open a tab, start searching and never come back. Or they click pay and get redirected to a completely different page. Now they're unsure. Is this actually safe? That hesitation is enough to lose them every single time. Each of these moments feels small on its own, but together, they quietly drain your conversions and you never see them leave. Now, before we move on to the solution, let me show you where it gets worse. On desktop, roughly 73% of shoppers abandon the cart. That's bad. On mobile, it's 85%. Most e-commerce stores use desktop first checkout designs, small form fields, hard-to-tap buttons, autofill the breaks half the time. And when checkout is frustrating on a phone, people don't contact support. They don't leave a review. They just leave quietly for good. So now you understand the real problem. It's not the product. It's not the price. It's a checkout that quietly pushes customers away at every step. And most of the time, you don't even notice it. That's exactly what FluentCart was built to solve. For WordPress, natively, without adding complexity to your stack. Let me walk you through how it fixes each of these problems. First, guest checkout is enabled by default. When a customer is ready to buy, they can complete the purchase in one go. No account, no form, no friction. And if you want, you can invite them to create an account after the purchase. That's when they're already happy. That's when they say yes. Second, frictionless, fast checkout. FluentCart's checkout is clean, fast, and loads instantly. No plugin conflicts are slowing it down. And because it's built on custom database tables, it stays fast even when orders are piling in. Instead of redirecting buyers to a separate checkout page, which kills momentum, FluentCart's Modal checkout lets customers buy right where they already are. The moment they decide to buy, the checkout is already there. Third, flexible payment options. With globally trusted gateways like Stripe and PayPal, plus regional options like Razorpay, Flutterwave, and Mercado Pago, customers can pay the way they already trust. When customers can pay their way, they complete the purchase. Fourth, mobile first by design. FluentCart is designed to be mobile-friendly and fully responsive out of the box. Everything from product view to checkout is responsive, fast, and optimized. Just a clean buying experience across every device. Fifth, smart cart recovery with Fluent CRM. And if someone still leaves, FluentCart does not lose them. Its integration with Fluent CRM lets you send a recovery email automatically, not a generic "you forgot something" blast. A timed, personalized nudge sent within 20 to 30 minutes while the purchase is still fresh in their mind. No discount required, no manufactured urgency, just a well-timed reminder that converts. Here's the thing about cart abandonment. You don't fix it after someone leaves. You prevent it before it happens. And that's exactly where FluentCart changes the game by removing the friction points that were silently costing your sales all along. Not by adding more tools, by fixing the experience from the ground up. If you're ready to see how your checkout stacks up, or you want to switch to something that actually converts, the link to FluentCart is in the description. I want to hear from you. Which of these checkout problems is hitting your store the hardest right now? Drop it in the comments below. And subscribe to WPManageNinja for more no-fluff e-commerce content built for the WordPress world. Catch you in the next one.